Simple primates try to understand this new technology.
I know.
All to save 50 cents or something like that, probably.
No. How do you choose your drink? Make a selection. Would you like cheese? I don't know how to do this part. Well done. No bread, no au jus.
You don't want any of that?
No, I do.
And now add the bag.
I have to get rid of it.
Okay, now I have to get rid of this.
Good luck with that.
This one's garbage.
Hey, what? No. Oh,
Yeah, she clicks too fast.
I'm getting rid of this because we're already gonna get French fries with this.
Okay.
And now we need to go back because I bet you there's a chicken tender meal too.
Anyway, we're at Roy Rogers.
Yeah, there is.
We've downloaded the app to save 50 cents, so... Well, this is kind of fun. It's very convoluted.
Oh wow, you can get 8-piece chicken tender for only $6.
No, let's just get
$5 more.
Alright, it's up to you.
Oh, it's in the video?
Yeah. Anyway, it took, what, like an hour to get this, but it's worth it. It's all very good.
It took us an hour to order.
Oh, yeah, that's true. And 2 minutes for them
Really
to...
good.
It's all very good. Yeah,
Would you come here again?
Probably.
I would for sure.
Yeah, I would too.
We have to rate how fast we got with food.
Yeah, it is.
I have something to say.
I was confused. I thought there was more than one Jason here.
I told Aaron that today we're going to be just driving a lot, so don't be sad that you're sick or whatever, because we are going to be driving a lot. How far away is our hotel still from here?
4 hours.
4.5 hours.
That's not terrible.
No, I know, but still, it's a long time.
Yeah. True. Are we stopping in Baltimore first, too?
I think so.
Okay. All right, Chan's being a trailblazer, getting their coffee at Roy
I mean,
Rogers.
it's just the coffee, but
Okay.
it's good coffee.
That's good. Yeah, actually, everything there was good. I like the chicken, everything. I'd have the roast beef. That was really good. Anyway, we're off. Next stop.
Beef was really good. I think Aaron would even like the roast beef.
We'll probably stop somewhere at a Sheetz on our way to Baltimore.
If there's any more sheep.
If there is any more Sheetz. Oh, there we go. No, it's just recording. We're in downtown Baltimore. We left the parking garage, obviously, and now we're gonna go let science, right?
That's what I was saying. Let's science.
All right.
I got our parking ticket validated, so maybe we only spend $11.
Let's see. Want to rent a bike?
Yeah.
Aaron can sit in the.
Basket.
Yeah.
We can sit in the basket. That's from scooters.
We are in the museum. 3 floors of fun. I'm guessing we'll spend 5 minutes on each floor, and then we'll be off to explore the harbor. Because yeah, it seems geared more to Shannon's mentality than to Aaron's. This is what you had to show me?
Yeah.
You said, come here quick, you gotta see this. Shadow show.
That's cool.
Oh.
Try not to touch this. Ooh, that's cool.
Does it look drab? Surprise, it's not! Surprise, it is. Surprise, it's not! Surprise, it is.
That's our try. You try.
Oh, he did beat you.
No, no, I didn't have. I got to 1. You didn't even get to 1.
One more. You should put your hand on the bar.
Wait, why did my restart?
Oh, this is cool.
What's your grip strength? Mine's 60.
Trying to blind you?
What's my heart rate?
Oh. Jeez, you got up? Are you an elephant?
I think he's done.
Alright, yeah, there's a hospital right over there.
37. You know what I got?
What?
62. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27.
I'm getting this out of context too.
What does it look like?
All pink.
I know. Isn't that weird? Why?
Because that's the opposite of green. Yeah.
How does that do that?
So this, it's gonna be pink for the rest of your life. Sorry, bud. You're living the pink life now.
No, it's
Now try to throw it in the hole. You actually did it. Good job. It's supposed to be
part
hard.
of it that's not the started.
Oh, you cheated.
What?
Here, we'll let mom try. Here, mom. You didn't have to like. No, you actually. Well, you got the biggest one. It's hard. It's hard to avoid that.
I tried to do it on purpose to not do it.
Why would you do that? All right. Sounds like what they play right before they say, "Visit the concession stand and grab a Coke." Oh, that's good.
Join astrobiology.
in the search for extraterrestrial life in our solar system, in our Milky Way galaxy, and other galaxies.
What? That's not a Twilight Zone episode. Yes, I'm pretty sure he is. We're almost done exploring here. The Mason, excuse me, gallery. Interesting. Oh, maybe not really. Kinda cute, I suppose. You pretty much saw all of it. It's very under 12 oriented and small, but hey, it's cute and free to get in, so it was fun. Half hour, 45 minutes maybe. Then we get to explore Chesapeake Bay. Is that what that is? Chesapeake Bay? That doesn't sound right. Is that DC? Anyway, we're about to go into Baltimore Harbor. Maybe that's what it's called. I'll stop talking now. Is there anybody new? No. 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 Yeah? Actually, was that... Yeah, she was there too. Yeah.
He would know.
Yeah, that's true. If anybody would know.
The experience that I'm this time.
Okay. Now we are walking towards downtown Baltimore. Enjoying Rita's Peach. It's pretty good. I like it. And that power plant, I'm almost positive that used to be the Six Flags that was operating, geez, forever. Yeah, 1985 all the way to 1990.
Maybe I should try a line that.
All right, give it another shot. You couldn't figure out what?
It just would never unlock the...
For who? What company was it?
Spin.
I don't think there's a bridge over there, huh? You have a weird knack for finding weird things. Just like this used to be Chipotle Mexican grill. I bet if you looked in there, they'd probably still have
Lights up there look like lights up there.
yeah. And then the Fusion.
I think they moved because there's a Chipotle somewhere over there.
Oh, they probably a new yeah. And then here's a Sandwich Works, which is the Potbellies. This is the aquarium. We didn't feel like spending $120. Oh, Mom's gonna try another scooter. We'll see if she gets luck this time. Yep, that definitely was a Potbellies. And there's a Hard Rock Cafe. Even if it's open, I don't want to go there. But the interesting spot's right next to it. Let's keep walking. She can ride to us if she gets there. This next one is called the Power Plant. Is that what it said on the building? I am 99.9% sure this is where the Six Flags was. Because I knew it was all indoors. I know very little about it. So I'm a perfect guide to show you what I'm talking about. Might have said Six Flags up there. But nothing is going on. I wonder if anything's been in there since. I gotta imagine they turned into something else because I see plants up there. Maybe it's condos now. It's a shame we couldn't see it while it was open. Did Mom get it started? Not even close. Do you think she'll get it started?
No.
Ever the optimist. Hey, where are we? Why is it doing? There's like arts, yeah.
Way.
Mints.
Yeah.
Mints and mints are two different ones. That doesn't work.
Mints and mints, but if you say it, it's like if someone's saying mints and mints, it sounds the same.
All right, what it's not. That doesn't work really.
Say it out loud.
Mints and mints. Mints.
Sure.
See?
Sure.
Same thing. Okay, here's another one that bothers me. Gorilla and gorilla. Two different sounds. G and Gorilla? Gorilla. Alright, let's see if there's any other ones that are gonna really tick me off. Review. No, that's fine. Chance. Yeah. Bazaar and bizarre? No. Two different words. I'm poo-pooing half of these. Yeah, see? Why not?
That's the Chesapeake Bay blue crab.
Cool.
He's cute. He's a rainbow crab. Why did that just come out?
I don't know. Oh, it's that bird up there.
If we were in our car right now, we would get to our hotel at 7:15.
Well, let's get to our
Or
car.
if we pay tolls, we'll get there at 6:30.
$16 in tolls, though?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Riding shotgun in the passenger seat now. Spend the night with the open pie to get away from the concrete line. Lot of places when we were young, drying up as the clock keeps ticking by. Everything is falling out of place. Need to get back to familiar space. Keep myself from breaking down into shapes with you. Deeply wrapped in the red and brown, because I've run out of ways to hide. Colors often the green in time, unless you're living in a world that's been dyed now. Hanging out at the edge of town to get a grip of reality. There's something living beyond the line, and I think it started gunning for me. Everything is falling out of place. Need to get back to familiar space. Keep myself from breaking down in shapes with you. I don't want this nightmare to take over me. I will break this after it's done breaking me. I don't want this existentiality. I will take this time to work on fixing me. Everything is falling out of place. Need to get back to familiar space. Keep myself from breaking down in shapes with you.
Oh, we are close. We're in Atlantic City.
I feel like we're
Oh, yeah. So we finally made it here. We're gonna go up to our room. We got swimsuits. I don't know if we're going swimming right away. But this is nice. Feels good.
and it's free. No, I was just telling
Oh, yeah.
these guys, it cost me more in tolls from Baltimore to here than it did for our room today.
Right, yeah. Because all we had to pay for was taxes and resort fee, which was $18.
Plus $5 parking.
Oh, shoot. Yeah. 23. Dang it. Alright, well. There goes the bank account. No college free. Alright, we are at our room, 1111. English. At the Borgata. I don't think I've ever said the name correctly yet, but the bathroom is nice. Check out this weird... I don't know what that is. And then there's a intercom, right, in case you have an emergency or something. I guess. And TV. No microwave, unfortunately.
That's okay.
Used to sitting at attention. And Froggy Jr. And out here we can see the marsh of Atlantic City.
Stay out of the marsh. Bitter fire.
This is nice. You know what? On here, well, never mind. You don't have to say it right now, but this is our room. We'll probably go swimming in a little bit. But I read this, and it says the outdoor pool is for 21 years of age and older.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, but there's an indoor pool that's friendly for 21 and under.
That's dumb.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. But for now, we're relaxing in the room. Right, Froggy Jr.? Okay, going down. Is it the lighting that brings out the worst in you or something?
You saw me.
Well, we just found out on top of, 15,000 steps.
15,000?
Mm-hmm.
On top of
I thought I did.
10,000.
That says 15. Oh, it says 10,000. You're right. But anyway. The ice machine. Ooh, it's
I'll
so
go that vending machine because it's weird. It has shapes. It has a razor in it.
Oh, yeah. And how much does... Let's see how much a Coke costs. Oh, only $3. Okay. But it's a can. Well, but I was expecting more. But we found out that on top of the pool, outdoor pool being 21 or up, what time does it close, Aaron?
6.
Like a.m.? It's open all night?
No, 6 p.m.
That's insane. And
Their art here is weird.
it's very weird.
I don't know what is that. That's
Yeah, and then the weird thing. Did you go to the bathroom yet, Aaron?
No.
Yeah, it's weird. Alright, anyway, we're gonna go see what the indoor pool looks like. We are now walking down the infamous boardwalk on Atlantic City. Can really feel the history of the 1920s, 1910s. I just want to.
What?
I just wanted to come over here because I knew there was a little pier. I looked out.
Well, and it's a go-kart track at the end of the pier.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
It's really old, and it would have been really cool to be here 100 years.
But if you were here 100 years ago, you couldn't shoot a very bad version of Sonic with paintballs, could you?
Did you see that Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Or did you really though?
I'm sure there's more than one.
Mickey Mouse?
No.
Probably for copyright reasons, it's Mackie Moose. Yeah, that is weird.
Mr. Beast explains things. Right there. Next next to Flintstone. Yep, that's perfect. That's Krabby.
City Boardwalk. Well, pier. Yeah, they have helicopter rides. Yeah, they land right here and take off.
Oh, this is the best.
Oh, okay. Isn't that crazy?
And it's $75 a person for shoreline and $150 for the city. But you have to have a minimum of 2 people for a city tour. For the
Or
helicopter ride.
yeah, either one. Minimum of 2 for either one.
Okay, it's 150, 225 for us to do a short.
The sun's gone down. The wind is picking up. And the lights are lighting.
Sun goes down, the lights come on, and everyone. I don't know that song. You know that one?
I barely recognize it. Aaron's having pizza on the...
Boom slice.
I wish I didn't know that part. But on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. It is prettier at night, for sure. But I think we'll be heading out of here shortly. Back to the room where there's so much for all of us to do together. I'm excited.
I'll take
Non-stop
showers
fun.
and go to sleep. I'm tired.
Yeah. That sounds good to me too. All right, with a stop. What's on? Anyway, with a quick stop at Walgreens to pick up some essentials, we are back at the room for the night.
This is an essential.
It is an essential. Just after 10 a.m. or 10
I
p.m.
don't have a microwave.
Just after 10 a.m.
But you know, we can.
I think you're confused by AM and PM because of the pool hours.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's so annoying. I guess I mentioned that 6 p.m. was the 21 and over closing, and then 7 p.m. for the everybody pool. Yeah, indoor. Yeah, it's so dumb. But anyway, we're in just after 10, and we got like 12 hours. We can just really relax tonight and in the morning, so that's good. So we're gonna have a nice relaxing evening. Aaron, press that button to relax. The relaxing button. Press it. Press it. The relax. Come on, relax.